We are looking to dress up your bathroom, hallway, a place you need to put a light, single, double fixture. This is something that may be right for you. Let's get a nice close-up look and demonstrate how to hook one up. On the table is everything that you get with the unit, excluding bulbs. You'll find the right bulb for you that will fit into the unit. It's a two-way unit that is dimmable. It has a glass tube cover that the bulb clearly goes over. And this design comes in a number of colors. This unit can be dimmable if you have a dimmer switch. It can be hung up horizontal as well as vertical. It comes with two screws on the side and the red. They are tied into the two separate leads of the light switch as one. You get supplied bolts and wire nuts. Some of the supplied bolts may and may not fit your fixture leads. We're going to remove the light, put the fixture holder on, and put the fixture on. I use these two holes to put the bracket on. I chose to hang mine this way. The most difficult part, there is nothing to hold this on. So you need to have a free hand or help to hang this. With your screwdriver, screw them in. Depending on your house and everything, I'm just a little off with my fixture, but at least I'm happy that I have it installed. How does that look? They make different bulbs, different heights. This is a nice fixture. Maybe to the side would have been nicer, because if your house is with a little dust, it could collect inside. There's no caps on it. But that is the fixture for a hallway, a bathroom, anywhere you want to put a fixture. I hope you enjoy this dual side fixture. Have a great day.